everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So here we are again. I got just a few things to share with you. Some things I'm excited about, some things I've had for a while and I've already worn, and I thought I'd share with you. Okay, first up is the Stella and Ruby Ava Filigree earrings, and they're a hoop earring, and I got them for $48 off of Nordstrom. So here's the story behind this. Alicia on her channel got these earrings in silver and I believe in a Wantable box. And for the silver ones in her Wantable were $42. And when I saw them, I was like, oh, they're pretty. So immediately, I go to the Wantable stream and I'm looking around and I didn't see them there. And then I started searching for them, found them at Nordstrom for $48. They didn't have them in silver, but they did have them in gold. So here they are. I've worn them a couple times already. I will put them in my ears when I do a try on for the rest of the items, but aren't these beautiful? I love them, all right? Sometimes it takes me like an hour to get through a 15-minute video of one of these YouTubers because I keep stopping and then I have to find what they got. It's my addiction. I can't help it. I can't help it. If you got something that I want, I gotta go find it and get it myself. Okay, the next thing. Little story behind this one too. A couple of years ago, one of my first Stitch Fixes, I got a burnt orange sweater. And it was this particular sweater and I really liked it, but it came to me with a boo-boo. I just recently saw it back on Stitch Fix again. Now, yes, it's a couple years old, but I really like the sweater, so it doesn't bother me. It was something I really like it. It's this Mia back detailed, I should say, sweater, all right, by Love Ellie. I really like this sweater, all right? Let me tell you what the material is made out of. It was like polyester. No, 54% rayon, 30% polyester, 16% nylon. Super soft. Love the back detailing. I got it in this brown color. It is brown. It's actually coming across a little bit red on the camera, but it's definitely just a regular brown. Not a dark chocolate brown, but a very milky chocolate brown. However, this one came with a small boo-boo on it too. Do you see that right there? I mean, it's not like a huge boo-boo, but when I buy new items, I don't want any boo-boos, especially on the front. So I'm thinking this sweater is not destined to be in my wardrobe, even though it's super soft and I like it a lot. I just kind of feel two sweaters getting it and with a boo-boo is most likely something that easily snags and probably I wouldn't want in my closet. I will try it on though for you. It is very cute, but I'm gonna have to pass on this. And this was the Love Ellie Mia back detail top. It was $44, so it was a good price, but yeah, it's not gonna be a good price if it's gonna fall apart on me. The next item was a splurge. So I had some credit from returning those camis that also fell apart on me, as well as the sweater that got a hole in it. So they gave me credit and I decided to do this as a splurge. This is, and you guys might know, I've been dying for a sweater vest. I want to be stylish. I want to wear a sweater vest, This is the Pistola Kieran V-neck pullover for $118, which is a lot. It's a splurge. And it's ivory. And I love this ivory or off-white color. It's got the cable, it's a V-neck, cable knit down the front. If you look at the back, there's different cable knit and different stitching, okay? I really like this. I do have concerns. It does look quite wide, very wide, and I know it's supposed to be oversized. I'm gonna have to try it on, but I have a feeling this is gonna make me look like a giant marshmallow, all right? I am 5'2". I kind of got a rectangular build, so I might be petite, but I'm not like wafy-like, so I think I'm gonna look really stocky and poofy in this. So we'll see. I'm trying to keep an open mind. And if I do keep this, I'm gonna need a top to go underneath because I can only think of one top that I have that would work with this. All right, give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, I got the first outfit on. So I have on a pair of skinny cargo pants by Prosperity that I got from dirt cheap from Nordstrom a couple years ago. I do like these pants. They are a skinny, like jegging type material, but they got the cargo pockets here on the side. And they're like in a dark olive/brown. And I have on a chambray blue top that I got from Nordstrom Rack, probably about 2 years ago for about 30 bucks. I got on the earrings right here. I really do like these earrings. These have already been kept, worn many times, so no question about it. And I have on the sweater vest. I'm gonna need your opinion, guys. What do you guys think of this? Is it cute or does it make me look frumpy, you know? Here's the front of it, here's the back of it. It is a really nice quality. Let me see if I can find what the material is on this one. It is 100% cotton. I mean, it feels nice. And this is an extra small, so there's no going down from here. And yes, it's supposed to be oversized. The question is, does this make me look cute, or does it make me look like a giant marshmallow? All right. I paired it with a pair of tan booties. I forget where I got these from. I think I might have gotten them from South Moon Under, also on a great sale, and I think they're Vince Camuto. I forget. I'd have to take a look for you. They're just a beige suede booty. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage and see how I like myself in this. Put your opinions down below. Stay or go. Like I said, I love the sweater itself. I'm not just sure I'm gonna love it on me. So you guys let me know if I look good in this. All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna throw on the brown sweater so you can get an idea what that looks like. Okay, up next is the MIA sweater in chocolate brown, and I really love this sweater. I love the V-neck, I love the back detail, I love the way it fits, I love how soft it is. I just don't like the pull, which I don't know where it went now, but there is definitely a pull in here, over here, and it's small. But I don't want a sweater with a pull. It's teeny tiny. All right, I'll come over here. Maybe some people don't mind a little pull, but when I'm buying something brand new, I don't want any kind of pulls in my sweaters. Let me know your thoughts. If you have this sweater, did it pull on you? Am I just getting, two bad sweaters, or is it just my luck that I got two bad sweaters, or does this thing pull very easily, and that's the reason why? I paired it with a pair of my chocolate brown booties, okay? There you go. And if I were to get this, I was looking at my closet. I don't think I would get it in chocolate brown. There's many colors. I already have a brown sweater, and I realized that it's more of a 3/4 sleeve. It's not even a 3/4 sleeve, like a half sleeve. So I would have to wear a jacket with it, but it's still brown and it's still a V-neck. So I think I would rather have like a burnt orange or a red in this sweater. Let me know. I really like it. I love the feel of it. I love how thin it is. Everything fits perfect on me. It's just the pulls. So let me know your thoughts. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell. Get notified of future videos from me. Click that thumbs up button. Take care, and until next time.